Community leaders and agency partners joined the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Omaha District in downtown Sheridan, Wyoming, July 10th for a ribbon-cutting ceremony to celebrate the completion of the Little Goose Creek ecosystem restoration project. The three-year project reestablished environmental features of the creek that were lost by flood risk modifications made in the early 1960s.
And so while those efforts significantly lowered the threat of flooding, that came at a cost to aquatic and the riparian environment. And so that's why last year's completion of the restoration project, roughly $12 million, and improvements to reconnect fish passage, restore oxbows, and revitalize stream habitat was such a major milestone.
The first phase of the project was completed in late 2024 and added many features designed to slow water, oxygenate the stream, and enable native fish to move freely through the creek. Sheridan Mayor Richard Bridger praised the completion of the project and the environmental benefits it provides for the city.
We had the Little Goose Creek and the Big Goose Creek. They merge right here behind us, and it's a big part of our city because it runs on both ends of our city. A lot of people like it just for the natural beauty of it. It's improved the fisheries, so a lot of people who like to fish, they enjoy that as well. It's very peaceful. It's a very nice place to just go and meditate and enjoy the river.
Sheridan's Public Works Director said the strong partnership between the City of Sheridan and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers was instrumental in delivering the project.
It is great as an engineer to see the final outcome of years of effort and a lot of investment, and it really is a relief to show that these projects do work, and it just takes a good teamwork and partnership.
Lieutenant General William Butch Graham, the 56th Chief of Engineers and Commanding General of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, met with city officials and toured both the completed restoration and downtown project corridor prior to the ceremony. A feasibility study outlining the next phase of work was recently completed by the Omaha District. If funded, the project will improve flood risk management, recreation, and ecosystem health for an additional 18 miles of Goose Creek.